Hi guys, welcome to Ms. Abby's class. Today we are going to learn how to write super sentences. Sometimes when we write, we forget to include important details in our sentences. We all struggle with this problem because we are not sure how to include details in our sentences, and we also don't know what kind of details to include sometimes. So these details are very important because they help paint a picture for readers to help them see what is happening. So today I'm going to show you how to expand or stretch your sentences by adding new ideas and details to them. Okay? So what does a sentence need in order to be considered a complete sentence? Yes, a sentence needs a subject and a predicate. A subject is nothing but a noun. A person, place, thing, animal, anything. And the second part of the sentence is the predicate, which is nothing but an action word, a verb. So the predicate talks about the subject. Okay, so that makes a complete sentence. So what else do you think makes a sentence complete? Yes, a sentence should always start with a capital letter, end with a period, and should have appropriate spaces in between. So here is an example that I've written for you guys. The boy played. Do you all think this is a complete sentence? Yes. Even though this sentence looks short, like a fragment, it is not a fragment. It is a complete sentence because the boy is the subject and played is the action word, action that the boy is doing. So there's a subject and a predicate. It is starting with a capital letter, ending with a period, and has appropriate spaces between the words. So this is a good sentence. It is a complete sentence. Even though this is a good sentence, I think it is a boring sentence. Why? Because the boy played does not really paint a picture in my mind about what the boy is really doing. I don't have details in the sentence to help me do that. Okay, so today we are going to take this sentence, this boring sentence, and we are going to make it into an interesting one. How are we going to do that? I'm going to show you a technique to do this. Okay, so whenever you're writing a sentence, make sure that your sentence answers these 4 questions: when, where, how, and why. Okay, so if your sentence answers all these questions, they will have the appropriate details necessary for the reader to understand what's happening. I'm going to show you this example. Okay, so the boy played. When is this happening? Saturday morning, the boy played. So Saturday morning is answering this question. When is the boy playing? He's playing on Saturday morning. Okay, the next question that I'm going to answer here is where. Where is this happening? Saturday morning, the boy played in his room. This is happening in his room. The boy is playing in his room. So that's pretty good. We have 2 details in. So the next question that I'm going to answer here is how. How is the boy playing? Saturday morning, the boy played very quietly in his room with his monster trucks. So he's playing very quietly and he's playing with his monster trucks. That's how he's playing. And the last question that I'm going to answer is why. Why is he playing quietly in his room? Saturday morning, the boy played very quietly in his room with his monster trucks because he did not want to wake his little sister who was sleeping in the other room. Guys, do you understand how we built this sentence? It is a simple process, okay? You guys, you have to just answer these 4 questions. Keep in mind that whenever you write a sentence, that your sentence should answer these questions. We arrived at this beautiful sentence with so many details just by answering these questions. I don't think this is a very difficult job. So let's reread this sentence again. Saturday morning, the boy played very quietly in his room with his monster trucks because he did not want to wake his little sister who was sleeping in the other room. It's answering all my questions. It's painting a picture in my mind about what the boy is really doing. That's what you guys should aim for. Okay, so let's do another example. Here I have another complete sentence. My puppy curls up, which is again very boring because it does not have any details that I need. So let's do it together. Okay, my puppy curls up. When is this happening? You guys can take a paper and pencil and start writing. It can be anything just anything from your imagination. Okay, when is this happening? I wrote, each night my sweet little puppy curls up. Guys, notice that I've included some adjectives here to describe my puppy. These descriptive words also stretch the sentence, expand the sentence to give more details about how the puppy is. Puppy is sweet and little. Usually puppies are sweet and little, right? So that's why I included that detail. So you guys can include anything. Describe the puppy, okay? Each night my sweet little puppy curls up. Okay, the next question that we are going to answer is where. Where is this happening? Write down anything that you want, anywhere. Use your imagination. I wrote, each night my sweet little puppy curls up on the rug in my bedroom. So the where here is on the rug in my bedroom. Now we are going to answer how. How did the puppy do this? Each night my sweet little puppy cosily curls up on the rug in my bedroom. So this word cosily paints a beautiful picture in my mind about how the puppy is lying down on the rug. He is very cozy. He's comfortable on the rug. It paints a beautiful picture in my mind, describing how the puppy is lying down on the rug in the bedroom. I'm going to answer this last question. Okay, you guys try too. Why? Why is the puppy lying down on the rug in my bedroom? Why? I wrote, each night my sweet little puppy cosily curls up on the rug in my bedroom because it is the warmest place in the room. Why did the puppy lie down on the rug in my bedroom? Because it was so warm there and it wanted a warm place to sleep. Okay, so we built this sentence from this boring sentence, my puppy curls up, just by adding a few details here and there, just by answering these questions here. Okay, I want you guys to try this technique. Take any subject that you want, any person or place or thing. Think about any subject and start writing at least 5 sentences the way we wrote these 2 sentences. Okay, this will help you become strong writers. You guys can use this technique whenever you're writing your letters, personal narratives, opinion pieces, etc. So I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for listening. That's all for today. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.